Today when I started my 2006 Honda Pilot, I noticed that the radio now says enter code. Of course, this means that the radio is locked out until the security code is entered. And in this short video, I'll show you how to find and enter the code so you can get your radio working again. My radio got locked because I just replaced the car battery. But this can also happen if the battery gets disconnected or after you replace the radio fuse. Luckily, in my owner's manual, someone wrote the radio code just inside the cover. In my case, it's 44612. However, it's unlikely someone did this for you. So instead, look in the glove box. Just inside there's a silver sticker with numbers printed on it. And here I see that the top number is also 44612, which is my radio code. Now, use the preset buttons to unlock the radio using the 6-digit code from the glove box. If there's no sticker or you just can't find the code, you'll probably need the dealership to help unlock it, which I'm guessing could be expensive. So look inside all the documents you have before going to the dealership. You might just find it somewhere in a random spot. And before I end this video, here's how to set the clock on this 2006 Honda Pilot. Start by powering off the radio. Then press and hold the tune button. After you hear the beep, use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the time. You can see the H and the M, which stand for hours and minutes. When finished, just press the tune button again. One final thing, now would be a good time to clearly write the radio code in your owner's manual for future reference. I'm sure you'll thank yourself for it. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.